Today starting the session from where we left almost AMD stock 1985 we completed yesterday. So we are continuing from 1985 further backtesting. So we are not taking any trade here as of now. Just wait for confirmation. Take this trade. Okay, we have success here. A 1:3 trade. I'll just make my general entry. It was very close, almost. Could have missed the trade by a few pips. Let's see if we do a double distance. Yes, it would have gone in case we would have stayed. No use. Let's try whether would have reached the next target of 1:10. So there is no new trade here as of now. The, so what we saw is 1:6 would have possible. It would have been those, but not 1:10. So now if you see trend has changed, we are now in a downtrend. We can only take shorts. No longs are allowed now. So let's look for the shorts. We can get one. Okay, so this is not good. Just check it out. This have been removed. Hold on. So we can try a short over here. Let's play a few things. So let's try this short. We'll keep some wider stop loss just to see for 1:3 if we can get this. Okay, we don't have that on price. Okay, now we cannot take a short here. This would be invalid. Yes. So today we'll continue the trading till maybe 1995 or 2000. I thought yesterday's session would be around 15 minutes, but it went till 45 minutes because these things take time. So I think this might be a valid trade now. Yeah, this is a valid trade. We have to take a shot here. Some wiggle room. Let's try out. One ratio 5 trend is down. We are near the EMA. And yes, this is a valid trade. Let's see what happens. Oops, a loss. We have a loss. So now since we're taking trades on daily, it is also taking more time and it is also giving us more trades. So what it shows us is the lower the time frame we go, uh, the more trades you'll get, but also there will be more noise. So the lower time frames are like top of the ocean, which are very, I would say, in movement, and the bigger time frames are like deep into the ocean, which is a lot more calmer and changes rarely. So we are seeing engulfings. These green ones are the engulfings. So these are not good sign for shots. So we're not looking for any shots in presence of such patterns or signs. We really don't want to get into a range. So this is a range where you shouldn't be staying out. You don't know what has to. Let's see now. So if we see, we are still in downtrend, but and the price is coming up. Let's see if we can take a shot here. So let's make a few things. These are valid. Is there a good area inside the shot? Yes. So let's see. I'm placing a shot now. So we're trying out this thing. Okay, I don't want to go against this place. I'll be more conservative. I'll be out at 1:3. Let's see this part. Okay, price did not reach our this thing. Looks like trade might be invalidated in some time. Yeah, trade is invalidated. Cannot take this trade. It's back into that range. So the trade worked, but what we could say is our entry was tight. We can take a tighter entry. If you see, it has given 1:3. So yeah, that is part of the game. Let's look one. Our direction was right, but yeah, to maintain profit margin, you have to take precise entries. Okay, so this is a trade which we would have not taken. It could have been okay. So now it's in a strong downtrend. They're all going down. We have eliminated one more. So this would have given a big. Now in the hindsight, it looks awesome trade, but yeah, you have to take the trades before things happen, not after things happen. And then that's the time when there's a lot of uncertainty. is. So we are almost in 1986. I think 1995 will be a good target given the daily time frame. There's no trade now. Okay. So if we would expanded, this would be on trade, but I was waiting it to go a little bit higher as well. This, so again, I think we can call it an entry tight. This was a tight entry. Let's see the down continue. This we can take. This is not a valid trade here. The other reason as well of not taking the trade. Sorry, it last one was not a tight entry. It was breakage of a trend. So yeah, this is zone is eliminated. We had not taken that. That is fine. So if you see, one of the main thing is we take very selective trades, and as a consequence we just keep waiting and waiting. And to a person who is seeing this for the first time, it may look okay, these are years and years passing with no trade, but you have hundreds and thousands of stocks, so you will be getting trades on something or the other. You need only a few trades a month to make a buck. So this is a trade counter trend, but we're not interested in counter trend trades. Now we are stuck. So range, let's see what happens. Nothing to do. It's middle of the range. Price can go up, price can go down. Odds not on our side. Do nothing. So again, in hindsight, this thing works perfectly, but would not have been a high probability trade. It could have easily done this. Oh, it just did. Whatever we're saying. So this looks like a famous crash of 1987, the Black Monday. This is how it looks like. Reliving the past. Again, I'm not trading by remembering those days or those dates. I'm just trading based on the rules. Okay, this is not a word. So it's just like that. So the price is consolidating, trying to go up. We'll try to short it as it comes up here. If the trade is still valid, we are in a downtrend. Price is trying to revert back to the mean, to the EMA or to the trend line. Could do like this, but we have to wait. It has reached EMA. So the date now is mid 1988. Okay, we see some confirmation that price is trying to move back. Let's see if it is a significant conversation. Yes. Now, if the price reverts, we could have a shot here somewhere here. Don't want a big one because this is engulfing. Okay, one engulfing has been eliminated. The price did not come back. Confirmation entry would have not. No issues, fine. Although I was explaining this, I have not taken any trade. There is no trade that has happened. You could have a view on the market, but for taking a trade, you need really high probability setups. Okay, unfortunately, there's nothing to do. Trend continues to remain down, but it's reaching an important area where it could reverse. This downtrend could be ending, but we have to do nothing. So let's chill. So I'll be just waiting and doing something on the side until this thing sorts it out. This is consolidation. We should not be trading into this. But you guys can just skip it. I'm not editing my videos. I'm recording full and sharing it as is. So this is the consolidation thing. And this range price is bouncing up and down. If I got stuck. Yeah, so if I zoom in, you'll see there is just there's no trend in some sense. Since this is a trend following system, we can't do much in such an environment. You need to understand when you have to be out of the market. That's a very, very important part. So let's see. We are in 1990. Let's see. Go to 2000. So this is an AMD stock, the darling of tech, and this is 1990. Would you have bought this stock when it would have fallen 82%? Most likely. The answer is no. You would have looked like fool from holding this stock from 84 to 90. But as we know, this was preceded by a tech bubble, and certainly being a tech stock, this would have certainly outperformed. Again, I'm not trading based on that knowledge. I'm just sharing my thoughts how hard, psychology wise, it is to hold into the market when your stocks does this. This is where value lies. And this is the area when you would have been genius holding the stock, the 80 to 85 period. This is the area where you're the biggest fool, but this is all in hindsight. Okay, this has broken down. We are even below this and still don't know where the bottom is. This could be the ultimate bottom, but yeah, that's why we don't trade into this. This is no, we have no information what the price can do. It is very unpredictable and not a high probability setup. Okay, so this has broken even the levels below. So if I have to show, this is a log chart just to see. If you see, this is devastating. 90% fall, 90%. One of these companies. This is what things have gone through. In the hindsight, it looks perfect. Whatever I would have bought a stock, an AMD stock, I would have been rich. It's not an easy journey. And like this, many there could be thousands and thousands of stocks which could have fallen and never recovered. This is the one which we know it has recovered, and it still exists. So this is another trade, but the price never reached there. There is, let's see about, do we have another trade? So one more thing you need to notice is liquidity has suddenly dried up on the daily, and in volatile situations this does happen. So I'll not be trading on the weekly, oh sorry, daily. I'll be only trading on the weekly. So this is not a valid trade for me, although it might work, but I'll not be taking this. Oops, gone. We have a false breakup down, and we are now bouncing up sharply. The next trade which we can have is over here. Yes, let me retain log chart for some time. So I'll try to trade this extreme. Just adjusting the stop loss. I have to have a tighter stop loss to get the right risk reward. Oh, it has to be higher. Cannot take that trade. Such a wide stop loss. So 1:3. I'm seeing if the price reaches up, and let's see how it works. Suddenly, if you see this, when you go up, the liquidity improves in a bull market. Oh, okay, we are in the trade. Probable loss. This have been a loss. Okay. Went to 1991. So we're not taking any trade as of now. I will just see because you're not alignment. This is one. This is two. It is near the end. We'll wait for the confirmation to take a trade. This would be a possible trade. Let's examine. Prices come. Go to EMA. This, this. Let's see. Price reverts. We'll try to take a trade here. Now we have uptrend. Price revert to this thing, but we did not get any entry. There was no entry here. This would have been this was an entry, but it was there was a zone of supplies. Let me just look at them. Again, this daily is too illiquid. Let's trade on the weekly. Price is reaching some extremes. So this may help give us an entry. This will push the price down for us. The sellers are here. Hopefully, let's see. It could also break in front of this strong uptrend. No clue. We'll just wait and watch. Oh, price came. However, I don't think so. We can take this directly. We would have to wait for the confirmation. Yes, that is true. See how the price fell. Now it could bounce back here, but we have to wait for confirmation. This is not a valid trade here. Oh, it's gone. Yes. So this is the mode of joy. Again, we are into no man's land. just to see the price had crashed before reverting 91, 92% almost. Again, you have another fall, 65%. Okay, we need to defeat the sellers to be able to go long. Cannot do that until that happens. Okay, now we have a clear path once this is cleaned off. Let's just wait for that to be cleaned off as well. Wow, now we have something to do. Again, there are obstacles again. Let's see. And this we defeated. This is what they call no voice gap at the end of the. Again, I don't know whether it is at end of the trend or not, but looks like a no voice gap. This is a professional gap. Oh, eliminated. Again, back to consolidation. $84 to $94, 10 years have passed, still not break even. Let's see if we can eliminate this to make way. 93. Yeah, not yet. So let's see if we can get a confirmation here. We can try this out because it has been consolidated for quite a long time. Let's see, trend. This is there. So this, guys, is a risky trade, but I'm trying this out with a high level of buffer. So this one is a tricky one. Let's see, or somewhat not here. Try it out a little below. Yeah, this is eliminated. Price has moved deeper. Okay, now we're seeing some strength, but the area is not weak. I did not take the trade. It would have been a loss if the stop loss was too tight. Hindsight, it will look fine, but I was waiting for some confirmation and a reversal that would happen. No double bottom or head and shoulders kind of pattern. Uh, you know, in a major time frame, we are stuck in this range because another large range is fighting. These two are fighting. People who would have entered here in 85, they are glad that by 95 the losses are covered. Maybe they are exiting here. Again, it's best to stay out. This there is a fight. This is like a battlefield, like how it is happening between Ukraine and Russia. We don't want to get in between the fight. Okay, looks like one side is winning now. Hopefully, we'll have a conclusion. Oh, yes, we one side has won. The last battle. We still can't take trade here. This is we can take it a little bit less. Odds are a little bit less. Let's put a place here already. The trade marker. Here we want to make an entry in case we break this thing. Ooh, just a sudden fall into our entry. Let's see what happens now. Fighting with all-time high. We are coming back. Okay, this is a loss. We just reached 1:2, not more than that, and we had the loss again. This was a slightly risky trade, but no issues. Let's see. Still, we are trendless, not doing much, don't know the direction. In hindsight, this is 95's recession. Yes. Nothing to be done again. We are right now in 1996. We'll soon be reaching 2000 and try to stop this. We have a downtrend. Let's see if we can short a few things. Daily is not much tradable. All the trades might be working, but too risky. This will trade sense, but would have not taken that. So price is all the way back. Let's see. This we can check. This is overshot. This is a valid trade. Looks like this one. Let me check few other things. Yes, this looks like a valid trade, but we don't have much width to go, so I'll take a tight entry, the decent stop loss, and let's try for 1:5. What does it work? No, it does not. Looks like a loss. Didn't give much, and only 1:2. Gone. One more loss today. This is not a valid trade. Need to wait for confirmation. Yeah, this is gone. Area did not hold. It's working, but this is not a valid trade for us. Hmm. So we are taking in 95. This is 97. Price is again above the our price. Now let's see if we have a breakout. This time we have the breakout. This is what did not come earlier. Let's see. So 1, 2, we set. This would have been, I would have missed this trade here. There was this spike is not good. Let's see now is the next one. We are expecting the trend to continue soon. Let's see TFT breakdown. Let's see if we can get a confirmation. This is this. Yes, this is now a valid entry. Let's see if we can grab this one. May be able able to take us long way. Let's try this out. Okay, price has not back. Okay, looks like maybe coming. Let's first see. We have another risk. Unfortunately, this is a risky trade, but I'll take it anyways. This is a risky trade, just but taking it. Loss. Let me see the reason. See if you can get some other entry. After this loss, this is another way there is luck. Let's see if we can get this entry. 18 and give some generous wiggle room. Let's see. We had tested, not tested again. Loss. Okay, wiggle room has saved us for now. Let's see if things work out. Yo, looks like a bullish price action. Uh-oh, price is back. Hit us. Gone. Another loss. We have a series of loss today. I think I should stop trading. It's a fight. It may still go up. Let's see. Another loss. This is chaos. Okay, this area is eliminated. And no longer trending. Let's see what happens. This is not a valid trade. We will look for the trade in that area. We can get some. No, there were no trades on there. Here, down, not a downtrend. It's like stuck between a large range. This is 1997. Let's see if prices hold, bounce back. We'll see. They're quite tricky. I would not trade this trade. It certainly could work, but most likely would work, but not as per our rules. Not in this trade. This has worked, but not it. eliminated. Then this could have been like this as well. We never know. That's why we have stop loss. Let's see if we can get some trades in this area. It will be great. Although it is again, I think we are again officially in downtrend. We should be looking for shorts now, but no shorts here at least. So let me see. This was eliminated. This is a short. We are downtrend. Frame is there. Try out this. We have a short here. 5. Let's try out. It's too close. Let's try out a small one, only 1:3 trade. If it can happen. So let me just reconfirm things. This will set yes, let's try it. This is 1:3 trade which we're trying out. Okay. Again, we could have gone double 1:6, but we have at least 3% profit. As of now, it's near the end. Let's see. This would have been too close to this thing, hence I did not go for it. This certainly looks like not possible 1:10, but let's see. This would have won it anyway. Yes, it has eliminated that. So again, good idea to get it in time. This may have not reached 1:6. Our aggressive target, super aggressive 1:10 was, and it was not. Still, we are in a downtrend, but this is not the zone. Let's see what happens. Eliminated. So today we'll stop at 2. We are almost on in December 98. We'll be stopping approximately December 1999. We are into March 99. As of now, prices again just on the investment angle. Think of this: 1984 till 2015 years, still in loss. So this is a trade, but not sure whether I want to go for a cover trade now. This is a risky one. Let's see. I'm most likely not taking this trade. It could work out, but risky one. Looks like this is working, but we did not take this trade. consolidation going on. It has worked now. Yep. This is the dot-com boom. Looks like. So it is March of 2000. I think we can continue trading tomorrow here. I'll just take a pause. It's almost an hour. Just to give our today's session this thing. So now today we stand at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Profit and loss is 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. We are almost in, if I have to say, we are having profit of 25% and losses are around 10 plus 3, 13, 14%. So 14, 25 minus 14, we are ending the session at 9% profit. Yesterday was 11%. Okay, catch you guys later for the next session. Take care.